Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some like Backsplash sticker panels that look like a brick, and I used these in my camper before, and they are great. I'm just going to take out a couple of these little sections here, and I'll show you guys how they kind of work. And so you see, you've got the different stickers there, and you can line them up like that, and so it looks like a big wall. So it'll kind of go in there, so they do match up, and you can put them anywhere. Like if I wanted to make this wall brick, I could have it there and there and just keep going all the way across and have myself a brick wall behind my TV, which I might do. So that's what it'll kind of look like there. How does that look? That looks pretty sweet, actually. I think I might do that. So it'll look like a nice brick wall on there. So how sweet. That's really cool. I like this. So this is what I'll probably be doing here shortly and making this wall look like a brick wall. So super awesome. Thumbs up. Okay, so now you can see I have a nice brick wall back there. All I used right now is just this kind of tape to tape it up. Still have an extra few panels too, so I'll probably go up higher up there and actually cut the ones at the bottom so it'll actually look a little better. But how cool is that? I don't even think I have them level right now, but it looks great. So super cool. I like this. Thumbs up.